السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to my channel Faisal Azib. So in the last video I have talked about the list and set interface and how to use them. And now I will talk about the map interface. Okay? What is map interface? Map interface between difference between map and list and set. List and set is group of objects. Okay? For the map interface, we have the concept of k value pairs. Okay? It is not the same thing. So, if you want to represent your group of objects with k value pairs, you need map interface. Okay? You can't use list or set. So, now for the map interface, we have a different implementation. For example, hash map that I will use now to the example. Okay? But what is the rules of map interface? In the map interface, the k value can be duplicated. Okay, we can't. It's impossible. And also, the order of insertion of data here isn't preserved here. Not the same thing with the list and set. Okay, so if you need to preserve the order, you can't use the map. Okay, it's very important. So now, how to declare how to use map interface? Okay, we create the class, and in the main method, I will create map with two generic type. Okay, with string and string. Map equal new hash map, also with generic type string. Now, how to add an element in your map? Here we use a method that is called put, not added, as list and set. It's different. So to add an element in my map, I will use map.put, and here I will open parentheses. I will choose the k. For example, I will add the different cake or what you want, or different fruit. Vegetable, I will add cake, for example, fruit also. So the first one, the k is c, and the value is cake, or strawberry cake. Okay? Good. The second one, map.put, the k is error, and the value is red velvet, for example. Third, map.put CO, and the value is cookies. Okay? And we continue, for example, map.put, the k is first name, and the value is Faisal. Okay? And after this, I will make system.println of my map. So here what I got. I got this result. First one is what I have put, remember me? What I have put, cake, yes, C equal cake. Okay? The second one, S equals strawberry cake. After this, I have air equal red velvet. With this I have CO equal cookies. After this I have first name equal Faisal. Okay, it's very simple. So remember this difference between map and list and set. Okay, if anyone tell you what is the difference between list or set with a map, the list and set is a group of objects grouped in one items, but map is a group of elements, but with k and value pairs. Okay? It can be the same, it is not important. Okay? So it's very, very important. Now also it's with collection, you can say the same thing, if it is different between collection and map. So here you have understand how to use list, set, and map. There are a lot of another concept that is queue, but I will not talk about queue because the goal is to understand how to use lambda expression with collection. Okay, so not worry about this. We are not entering Java detail of Java because it's very basic. Because on map also there are a lot of method, case set, lot of things. Okay, it's very, very basic. As I have just make the basic concept to understand this three type of concept of interface collection to enter after this, and maybe in lambda expression with collection. Okay, so see you inshallah in next video. I hope that you have liked this course until this moment. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.